So question number 19. Three equal vessels are filled with sulfuric acid and water in the ratio 3:2, 4:1 and 5:7 respectively. The contents of the three vessels are emptied into a big vessel. What is the ratio of sulfuric acid and water in the big vessel? So we'll see the working. So we have three equal vessels, that is of same capacity, equal capacity. So we take the vessels as 1, 2 and 3. So and in this ratio of sulfuric acid and water, the first vessel is 3:2 and in the second it is 4:1 and in the third it is 5:7. So when all are added, here equal quantity, equal capacity is given. So when all are added, so sulfuric acid is got as, so in the first vessel, the first part represents the acid, that is 3 parts out of 5 and this 4 out of 5 and here 5 parts out of 12. So now adding all these fractions, so take LCM, so which is 60 for denominator. So multiplying the first fraction with 12, we have 36. And the second it is 48. So we have got as 109 by 60. The same way adding for water. So in this ratio the second part represents water. So where it is 2 out of 5 and 1 out of 5 and 7 parts out of 12. So adding these fractions, again taking LCM, so which is equal to 60. So now to find ratio between sulfuric acid and water in the final mixture, so we have 109 out of 60 and 71 by 60. So this when cancelled, so the ratio is 109 by 71. So but instead of proceeding in this pattern, so we have in the first alloy sulfuric acid and water, the ratio 3:2, in the second 4:1 and in the third 5:7. So all the vessels are of equal capacity. So we'll check whether the parts is equal to same. So we have sulfuric acid and water 3:2, 5 parts. Here also it is 4 plus 1, 5 and here it is 12. So now instead of adding all, taking LCM and all, we can see that the base here is same. So to make the same, so multiply this with 12 and this with 12 with 50. So you get the total parts as 60. The same way, the ratios also are multiplied accordingly. The first ratio is multiplied with 12. So we have 36 and 24. Here this when multiplied with 12. The second one with 5. So adding all. So the ratio of sulfuric acid and water in the final mixture is got as 109:71. And answer for question number 19 is option C, 109:71. And the working here is as follows.